The real estate market statistics have come out for the month of May in Linden. Are the good times continuing to roll, or have things come to a screeching halt? Well, we're going to get into that and much more right after this. Hi, my name is Camille Haynes. I'm a local real estate agent in the Union County, New Jersey area. As always, I want to thank you for taking a couple moments out of your day to watch my video on Linden's real estate market for the month of May 2022. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notified every time I drop one of these videos. You can also check me out on my other social media platforms right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and let you guys in a secret how to get the statistics like this every month. All you have to do, well, you know what? I'm going to wait and tell you what you have to do at the end. So just make it to the end of this video, okay? Let's go ahead and get into the month of May. So I'm going to preface this by just doing a quick explanation whenever I do these videos. I'm usually recording them around the 25th after the completion of the previous month. So I know there's been a lot of talk and chatter about the market, the Fed, the rising of the interest rates. How is that impacting the real estate market in Linden? I'm not going to necessarily get into that quite in this video, because that happened in June, about maybe a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, from the time I recorded this video. So we're not really going to necessarily see the dust settling yet. You're probably going to have to wait a month or two before we really go into seeing if anything really impacts the rates, the rising of the rates really impacts Linden's housing market. But for now, in the month of May, the key word for me is up. I am going to talk to you about a lot of statistics that have gone up this month. So let's get into it. The first key number is the number of new listings available for sale. Last year, there were 36 homes that were available for sale. This year, there were 40 homes that became available. So that number is up 11%. The second key number I'm going to talk about is the percentage of list price received. So last year, homes on average sold at 103.4% of their asking amount. This year, that number is up to 105.8%. So that means on average, homes sold 5.8% above their asking amount. This Linden was number 2 in the county this month. Union beat them by a hair. It was like 105.9%. So like I said, it was just by a hair, but that number is up from 1 year ago. Another key number that is up is the median sales price for a home in town. This number is up almost $60,000 from 1 year ago. This month, in the month of May, the average sales price for a home was $444,000. So that, like I said, up a significant amount from 1 year ago. And the last key statistic that's probably the most telling to me is month's supply of inventory. So how this works is, if you take all the current inventory on the market, how many months would it take that sell that current inventory at the current sales pace? So last year in May, the month supply of inventory was 2.1 months. This month, it was 2.4 months. You say, why is that so important? It's still performing well in town, and that is correct. Just to let you know, what they consider a balanced market is when it hits around 6 months. The reason why that number is telling to me, I had to go back years, and I actually stopped when I finished looking back from 2019. So I went back, looked in all of 2021. all of 2020, all of 2019, could not find 1 month where the year prior performed worse. They performed better than the current year, or performed worse than the current year. So this was the first month that I found where last year's numbers were lower than the current year. Like I said, I had to go back years. I stopped after looking back at least 3 years. So, is this a shifting market? I don't know. Well, like I said, you got to give it a little bit of time. Let's go ahead and wait, see what happens when I do these videos next month or the month after. And let's start to see if there is starting to maybe be a little bit more pressure in the housing market for sellers. And there you have it. So, let me go ahead and go to the thing I teased earlier. So, like I said, you have an opportunity to get, disregard my notes, this spreadsheet every month. All you're going to have to do is just sign up to my monthly email list. So in the description box below, I am going to include a link to sign up to my monthly emails. I do this for 6 communities: Union, Linden, Hillside, Roselle Park, and Rahway. And then I even further break it down to single family homes and condos and townhomes. So you can sign up for more than one community if you would like. You will get the emails by the 30th of every month. You'll get this spreadsheet so you can marinate on the numbers and really start to see how things are trending. And you will also get the videos that I usually drop on YouTube before I drop them on YouTube. And then I guess that's about it. So once again, thank you for taking a couple minutes out of your day to watch my video. If you do need any help in your home buying or selling journey, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you out. My information will once again be in the description box below and is also at the end of this video. Otherwise, have a great day, week, and I'll look forward to speaking to you next month. Take care.